Making money from simple ideas sounds easy, but can anyone really start from nothing and succeed? Why do most people try and fail, even when the chance is right in front of them? Sounds strange, doesn't it? This is not about someone born smart or lucky. It's about ordinary people who started with nothing. They had no fancy computer, no big degrees, and no shortcuts. Just curiosity, a little patience, and the courage to take small steps every day. People said they were too slow, too ordinary, and would never succeed. Some laughed at them. Others told them to give up and stop trying. But these people didn't listen. They kept learning, kept writing small reports, and kept sharing their knowledge bit by bit. They didn't know how far it would go, but they believed in it. That quiet effort, those simple steps, slowly turned into steady money over time. Stay with us because this video will show you exactly how to start from zero and grow your income, step by step, even if you have never earned online before. Let's get started. Understanding reports. Digital research reports are simple papers that explain facts about a topic. They can be about money, health, technology, hobbies, games, or new trends. Many beginners think making reports is too hard, but anyone can do it if they take small steps. People pay for reports because they save time. They do not want to read hundreds of pages online. They want short, clear, and useful information. You just collect facts, organize them in order, and write them in simple words. It is like telling a story with real facts that help people understand quickly. Even if you make only one report today, it can be sold many times to different people. Every report you make is a small step toward earning more money. The power is in keeping it simple, clear, and easy for anyone to read. Reports can also teach you new things while you earn. So it is learning and earning at the same time. Zero experience? No problem. Many young people stop themselves before trying because they think they have no skills or they are too young. But making reports needs curiosity more than experience. You can start with a topic you like or enjoy. It can be about apps, phones, games, hobbies, or even new trends. Search for true information online and write it in your own words. You do not need fancy words or big sentences. Just explain clearly and simply. Each report teaches you something new, like how to research, organize, and explain facts. Step by step, your confidence grows. At first, it may feel slow or a little hard, but each small effort brings progress. If you start today, even with zero experience, you can begin earning small money soon. The key is to keep learning, practicing, and improving every day. Pick topics people want. The hardest part for beginners is choosing the right topic. Some topics sell more because many people are interested in them. Topics like health, money, technology, online business, or trending ideas are always in demand. You do not need to invent something new. Just answer questions people already ask online. Check forums, social media, and Google searches to see what people are looking for. A good topic can make even a small report earn hundreds of dollars. A wrong topic may never sell. Beginners must focus on what people need, not only what they like. Each time you pick a good topic, you get closer to earning money faster. Success comes to those who understand what people want. Research without getting stuck. Research can feel scary or confusing at first, but it becomes simple if you follow steps. Start by finding 5 to 10 good sources online. These can be websites, articles, blogs, or videos. Read carefully and write the important points in your own words. Do not copy directly because buyers want original work. Organize points clearly. Introduction, main points, and conclusion. You can also use bullet points to make it easy to read. Beginners may feel lost at the start, but each report you make teaches something new. Step by step, research becomes faster and easier. Soon, you will not just make reports, you will understand topics better than many others. Every report gives both money and knowledge. It is like building a small ladder. Each report is one step higher to success. Writing made easy. Many beginners stop because they think their writing is not good. The truth is, simple writing works best. Short sentences, easy words, and clear ideas are enough. You can use free tools to check spelling and grammar if needed. Focus on explaining facts clearly, not trying to impress anyone. Start with small reports of 5 to 10 pages. Later, you can make bigger reports. People pay for clear, useful, and organized information, not fancy words. Even basic reports can earn money if they are done well. Each report you finish makes you faster, better, and more confident. Every success creates a loop. You learn, earn, and grow step by step. Over time, small reports turn into bigger income and more skills, giving you a strong start in online earning. Platforms to sell reports. Once your report is ready, the next step is to find a place to sell it. There are many websites where people pay for research reports. Some are big marketplaces and others are smaller platforms for beginners. You do not need your own website at first. Just upload your report and set a fair price. Beginners often feel nervous about putting their work online, but every report you share is a chance to earn money. Some reports sell the first day, others take time, but each view and click builds confidence. Over time, buyers may return for new reports. The secret is to start small and keep posting reports consistently. Each report you put online is like planting a small seed that can slowly grow into steady money. Setting prices that work. Pricing can feel tricky, especially when you are new. Beginners often think their work is not worth money, but even small reports can sell for $5 to $50. The key is to balance value and price. If your report is helpful, clear, and easy to understand, people will pay. Some beginners start with a low price to get their first buyers and reviews. Later, they slowly increase the price as they gain confidence. Each sale teaches you what buyers like. Setting the right price becomes easier with practice. Remember, the first report might sell slowly, but each effort teaches a lesson. Price too high or too low can affect sales, so beginners should start small and learn step by step. Promoting reports easily. Many beginners make great reports but fail to sell because they do not tell people about them. Promotion does not have to be hard. You can share your report on social media, in groups, or online communities where people want information. Write short posts, explain what your report teaches, and invite readers to check it. Beginners often worry about bothering people, but most readers are looking for helpful content. Each time you promote, more people see your report. The more you share, the more feedback and sales you can get. Promotion is like watering your report's seed. Every post makes it grow stronger and increases your chance to earn. Making reports a habit. The real power comes when you make reports regularly. Beginners often stop after one report because it feels like too much work, but those who build a habit see faster results. Start with small goals like making one report each week. Each report teaches new research and writing skills. Over time, you will have a library of reports that can earn money quietly. The loop of making, uploading, selling, and learning creates momentum. You start noticing what topics sell better and what style works. Each small habit builds a bigger income stream. Remember, consistency beats talent at the start. Even beginners can succeed by taking small steps every day. Learning from feedback. Every report you sell will give feedback, and feedback is very valuable. Buyers may say what they liked or what could be better. Beginners sometimes feel nervous about criticism, but it is the fastest way to grow. Each comment is a lesson for your next report. Maybe a section needs more details or the design could be simpler. Use every suggestion to make your next report stronger. The loop of creating, getting feedback, and improving helps beginners become experts faster. No one is perfect at first. The more you listen, learn, and adjust, the faster your reports will sell and the more money you can earn. Making money from research reports may seem simple, but that simplicity is why it works. Many beginners wait for perfect ideas, but the real path is to start now. Each small report is a step toward knowledge, confidence, and income. People who start today, even with zero experience, can grow faster than those who wait. Remember, money comes from action, not waiting. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more stories about earning smart and building a life that works for you. Share this video with someone who dreams of earning online, and together start your journey toward freedom and real success.